Alright guys, a little walk around for you. We'll note all the little imperfections for you the best we can. So the headlights do suffer from the dreaded Porsche kind of clouding, and they get a little bit of spider cracking in here. I don't know if it'll come up on camera. This side maybe a little bit more. It's hard to tell, but there's some little itty bitty spidering right in here. So just wanted to be aware of that. And then the front bumper is pretty rough. It never had any PPF on it. You can see right here where the clear coat's coming off, and there's a lot of pitting from rock chips on the front there. I'll try to show you all those. A couple of scratches here. The paint overall is, you know, not in the best condition. I did try to have a detail done on it when I first bought it 3 years ago. So it's hard to see on camera, but there are just a couple little rock chips here and there, like one there. Here's the driver's side front wheel here. Front tires will need to be replaced. The backs are still in pretty good shape. No curb rash really. There's a couple scuffs on them, but no curb rash. Here's the little video of the top. There's a couple wear marks, especially, you know, where it gets folded up here. No real damage to it though. So, driver's side rear wheel. You'll probably ask about it was that way when I got it, so when I changed the tires out I was going to get new TPMS so I could put the tire caps back on, but you can kind of force them on, but it was kind of a pain to get them off, so I left them off so I can air up the tires more easy. So that does have an aftermarket exhaust that I installed on this. Not the most fancy exhaust, but sounds okay. Better than stock. But yeah, this is just the base 981 Boxster, pretty plain Jane with the PDK. We've had a blast with it. Runs great. No mechanical issues to note whatsoever. Had a recent oil change here in the spring of 24. So you're good on that. We'll show you the inside here. Inside's in good shape. Everything's manual in here, manual seats. It does have the base stereo system, so no Bose. And I just put this in, guys. This is an Erisin Apple CarPlay Android Auto setup. It's very nice. It even has the knobs. I'm really impressed with that stereo, so it works really well with Apple CarPlay. Do a little startup for you here. Turn that down here once the stereo kicks on. So you can see we're at 57,715 miles at this time. It'll just go up just a little bit, not much, before we sell it here. Can't beat that 981 flat 6 sound, guys. Naturally aspirated. It may not have a ton of power, but it's still a blast to drive. Alright guys, I was just gonna show you the power top going down. Everything works with that. Nice and quick. Alright guys, we're gonna go for a POV drive here, show you how this 981 Boxster, the base 2.7 liter, handles and runs. The dual clutch is amazing, guys. If you haven't owned a Porsche, or any car for that matter, with the dual clutch, you will definitely appreciate the Boxster PDK. Everything shifts smoothly here, guys. The PDK shifts through all the gears, no problem. I like to use the shifter for shifting gears, but you can also do it with the buttons here. The newer Porsches have the paddles, and you can replace the steering wheels and do the paddle upgrade if you want, but I usually just do it from the shifter, and it's just fine. The shifts are definitely nice and crisp. Just an awesome summer back road cruiser, even occasional track day if you really wanted to. 2.7 definitely doesn't have the most horsepower, but still a blast.